Is your Roborock S5 Max suddenly acting like it's lost its mind, bumping into everything and flashing that annoying Error 1? This Error 1 on the Roborock S5 Max is a common headache for owners, often leaving your robot completely unable to operate. So, what's going on? In most cases, this particular error code points directly to two main culprits: a faulty LiDAR motor and a faulty water pump. Essentially, your robot's navigation system, its eyes, isn't working correctly, causing it to lose its way. And if you've noticed poor mopping or even small leaks, that's your water pump failing. Ignoring these issues won't just keep your floors dirty, it can lead to further damage, reduced cleaning efficiency, and even potential water damage to your home. Don't let this common issue frustrate you any longer. At Robocare, we are the dedicated Roborock repair experts. We don't guess, we diagnose. Our team utilizes advanced diagnostic equipment to precisely pinpoint the root cause of Error 1, whether it's a faulty LiDAR motor, a malfunctioning water pump, or both. We carefully disassemble your Roborock, inspect critical components, and meticulously replace any faulty parts with genuine components. This isn't just a quick fix, it's a comprehensive repair designed for lasting performance. We restore your Roborock's vision and mopping capability, ensuring it cleans efficiently and reliably once more. But you don't have to just take our word for it. We'll show you the results. And just like that, after Robocare's expert touch, your Roborock S5 Max is back to its best. Flawless navigation, perfect mopping. No more Error 1, no more leaks, just pristine floors. Hear what our customers have to say about their Robocare experience.
Honestly, if your Roborock S5 Max is showing error, or if you have any other robot vacuum issues, don't hesitate. Contact Robocare. They truly are the experts.
Ready to get your robot vacuum back in peak condition? Contact Robocare today for reliable, expert repairs for all your robot vacuum needs.